Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the trend continuation factor indicator for MT4 and MT5. This unique tool developed by MHP focuses on determining whether the current trend is likely to continue using two separate lines for bullish and bearish momentum confirmation. In this video, you will see how the PlusTCF and MinusTCF lines work, how signals are interpreted, and which trading strategies are described. The trend continuation factor indicator is designed to help traders identify whether the market is trending and in what direction it is headed, focusing on confirmation rather than prediction. It is comprised of two lines, the PlusTCF and MinusTCF, which separately correspond to bullish and bearish momentum respectively, with positive values of either line indicating the presence of a strong trend. Positive values of TCF plus indicate a strong uptrend, while positive values of TCF minus indicate a strong downtrend. And both lines cannot be positive at the same time, since uptrends and downtrends cannot occur simultaneously, though both can be negative, signaling consolidation or the absence of a trend. You can see the indicator is already inserted on the chart in a separate window, and it's quite easy to interpret on the chart. The trend continuation factor typically appears in a separate window, like I previously said, below the main chart, generating values that reflect the strength and direction of the current trend. The indicator presents clear visual cues with positive values indicating bullish continuation, negative values suggesting bearish continuation, and neutral or flat values signaling that the market lacks strong momentum, often leading to sideways movement or consolidation. The calculations are based on a combination of price smoothing, volatility measures, and momentum analysis, with the outcome displayed as a line or histogram that traders can easily interpret. As for the settings, let's take a look at what we have. The input settings here, we can adjust the T3 period and the T3 continuation factor as well. You can also choose your preferred colors and time frames as well. As you can see over here, you can choose whatever time frame you're most comfortable with. Alright, as for who is for, the trend continuation factor indicator is suitable for traders who want trend confirmation to reduce the risk of entering false breakouts, filtering out noise in choppy markets, and the ability to hold profitable positions longer, improving reward to risk ratios. It works well for confirming breakouts when price breaks support or resistance, riding established trends to decide whether to remain in trades, avoiding ranging markets when momentum is lacking, and combining with moving averages, RSI, or price action patterns for increased accuracy. However, the indicator has a lagging nature, confirming trends after they have already started, may falsely suggest continuation during sudden news events or low liquidity, and is less effective during prolonged sideways activity requiring combination with other technical tools and sound risk management. You can download the trend continuation factor indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the links in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how using separate lines for bullish and bearish momentum helps traders focus on trend confirmation and continuation rather than prediction. If you like trend following tools that filter noise and validate momentum, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 tutorials.